Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Work It Out. This is me Kritika Khatani. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my personal favorite arm workout routine slash challenge. I'm going to be sharing a few simple exercises that you all can do, and I'm sharing a new set of exercises for arms. So make sure that you follow all these exercises and give all these exercises a try. And yes, without any further ado, let's work it out. Let's begin with the number one exercise, which is full arms rotation. Just rotate your arms clockwise and anti-clockwise for 15 times, 2 sets. Slowly, do not hurry. 7, 8, anti-clockwise. 2nd set, clockwise. 8, anti-clockwise. 8, relax. Let's begin with the number 2 exercise, which is scissor cut. For this, keep both your hands making a scissor-like position. Left hand forward, right hand back, down. Then right hand forward, left hand back, down. Continue this for 15 times. Again, 2 sets. 5, 6, 2nd set. 8, relax. Now we begin with the 3rd exercise. For this, keep both your hands like this, making a fist. Now slowly bring them up, punch, down. Slightly touch it, don't punch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2nd set. 8, relax. Now we begin with the 4th exercise. For this, join both your hands to your back like this. stand straight. Now slowly bring them up, down, up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2nd set. Relax. Now we begin with the 5th exercise. For this, bring both your hands to your back as much as possible. Come back to normal position. Back, front, back, front. Second set. Now we start with a few stretching exercises so that your arms don't pain much the next day. Let's begin. Now all these exercises, stretching exercises, I have already shared in many of my videos. But make sure that you stretch your arms after you complete this particular workout routine. It is a must. Stretch your arms to your back. That is it. Just follow all these exercises every day for the next 30 days, and even after that every alternate day, and trust me, you're super good to go. Do 2 sets of 15 each of all these exercises, Also, I have shared many arm workout videos on my channel already. You can watch those videos as well and follow those videos as well. So I'm adding the link to all those videos over here somewhere. You can tap and watch and share the videos if you like it. Also, if you try this particular workout, do let me know in the comment section below with a big thumbs up. I would be really happy to know this. So this was it for the video. I really hope you found the video and the exercises useful. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Also press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And follow Work It Out on Instagram for more regular updates. I am adding the link to the same in the description box below. So yes, please do follow me over there and I would be back super soon with a new video. Until next time, stay happy. Bye.